لك في حورة لا تعيمك خلطة وبندورة لأني قطك في حورة لا تعيمك خلطة وبندورة لا تعيمك خلطة وبندورة أنا سبيح من خربة بالخير غاد نلعب رياضة يعني نلعب جول الطبة عندي أخت هي أكبر مني نقرأ أنا أمشي مع الوادي حتى أصل المدرسة يعني درب طويل تصوير
أصبر أمامك
إن شاء الله بكون أنا في الصف الثالث إن شاء الله أكون أو دكتور أو معلم. نلعب بسلام ونعيش بسلام. هذيك النهار جو الجيش والإدارة هون حطوا بيتنا هذا بيتنا احنا.
We suffer a lot from demolition orders which came from the Israeli government. It's expected every day that they will demolish and you will lose your home, you will be homeless.
Israeli settlers moved to our land illegally and never left. Now we live meters apart.
They are our neighbors, but they didn't allow us to live with them so that later we can make some relations. It's not their land, but it's controlled by force. I am al-Mu'tasim Hadalin from Kharbat al-Khair.
We have lived and grazed our animals and sheep on our land, which my grandfather bought it
in beginning of 60s, so that we stay here and we live here from that time till today. We are here suffering from this occupation, but we live here. Because they have all of the power, all of the weapons, they can do whatever they want. Nothing will prevent them because they are allowed to build anyway. We are not allowed. Even we are the owners of this land.
There is one law for them, another law for us.
Israel state, it's supply all of the settlements with the electricity, with the roads, with water, with the communications, but we are not allowed to get any of these services. We install solar systems so that we supply people with the renewable energy, and we will live with that. We will survive, so that every time they demolish anything, we will rebuild again, and we will stay here. If they live in peace, we will live in peace.
But it is our right to live in our land. Our existence in our land is our way to protest non-violently against the occupation.
As I feel about this land, it's like my mother. It's a motherland. I will stay till the last moment of my life. We will stay. Even we are homeless, even we will stay on the land and we covered with the sky, we will stay here.